Welcome to the fourth video in the series of creating your first blog with Geekversity. In this video we're really going to be putting the finishing touches to your blog by creating your first article or your first post. So again, everything starts from the dashboard, as with all administrative tasks around your blog. In this one we're going to be using the left-hand navigation menu, and we can see here the top menu posts, and within that we have edit posts, add new. So add new in this case because we're adding a new post or article rather than editing an existing one. So clicking on the add new link, and that will take us to an add new post page. Okay, so the first thing we're going to see here is the title. So I'm just going to put in a relatively simple title. Okay, so again, I haven't put much thought into that. Maybe people wouldn't be that interested in reading this is my first personal affiliate marketing, maybe kind of best tips on affiliate marketing. At this point, for demonstration purposes, it doesn't matter. Now, also what I have done, I've cheated a little bit here, and I have some copy or some content that I've already written, which is in my clipboard. So I'm just going to paste that in there. Obviously, you would spend a little bit more time doing that, but what I really want to emphasize here is that, as with any kind of word processor or Word, Microsoft Word, kind of using this blog or creating blogs is very simple. You can literally just select a word, make it bold. We also have the kitchen sink application, which we call here, which literally means that we have every sort of functionality apart from the kitchen sink. So, for example, here we have Geekversity. And we can select kind of whether we want it to be a heading or a link. So there we see we've kind of made that kind of area a bit bolder. Now, one of the areas that was really interesting that we talked about before was using videos in your posts. Now, when we created it and we did the setup, which I think we did in video 3, we enabled YouTube. So here we see now we have the YouTube video. And we need to put in just a YouTube URL. Now I have actually opened here in my browser a YouTube video that I want to embed, which is on the topic of what we're talking about. So I'm just going to copy the URL from YouTube, which is literally just what we copy into there, and click OK. And there we see that we have the video embedded. As you can see, the video is embedded. You don't actually see the video at this point because we're just editing the page and creating it rather than kind of previewing it. But nevertheless, there you can see that that's the placeholder where the video will appear. And what we can also do, which is very important, we need to create a link to go to our affiliate product. So I'm going to just type in a simple text for the link. Again, putting something a little bit more descriptive might be useful. And so I've highlighted the text here, as you can see, and then clicking on this insert edit link. And what we have here is, first of all, the URL link. So I've created a tiny URL link for us. Now again, you can use whatever you want, or whatever's been in terms of whether you choose to use a tinyurl.com to obscure your affiliate link, or whether you use the affiliate link direct that has been provided to you. You can do either of those. Maybe for simplicity, use the full link, or if you're feeling a little bit advanced, use a tinyurl.com link. Okay, so then just insert that. Okay, so now we can see that we have the video and the click to buy here. So all we have to do is to publish those changes. And so very easily we can now just using the standard link, click that, and here we can see that we've got our updated blog, and we have our text that we put in, and again we see we've got it bolded here. We've changed the colour to the first heading. We have the rest of our copy. Here we have the YouTube video that we've embedded, and finally we have our click to buy the product. Obviously